Achieving financial freedom is a goal for many, but the path to reaching this milestone can often seem unclear or overwhelming. Whether you dream of retiring early, traveling the world, or simply having the ability to live life on your terms, financial freedom requires careful planning and dedication. It's not about getting rich overnight, but building a stable financial foundation that grows over time. In this video, we'll show you how to create a financial freedom plan that works. We'll break down the steps you need to take to achieve financial independence, offering actionable advice to help you build a roadmap to a debt-free, secure future. Step 1. Define what financial freedom means to you. The first step in creating a financial freedom plan is defining what financial freedom looks like for you. Financial freedom is a highly personal goal, and it's essential to identify your individual desires and objectives before you can map out a path toward achieving them. For some, financial freedom may mean retiring early and living off passive income streams. For others, it could be having the flexibility to work fewer hours or pursue a passion without worrying about money. Start by asking yourself, what would I do if money were no object? How much money do I need to live comfortably and worry-free? At what age do I want to be financially independent? Understanding your vision will guide the rest of your planning. Defining these personal goals will help you stay motivated throughout your journey and give you a clear target to aim for. Step 2. Assess your current financial situation. Before you can start building your financial freedom plan, it's important to take stock of where you currently stand. This step involves a comprehensive look at your income, expenses, savings, and any outstanding debts. You can't chart a course to financial independence without knowing where you're starting from. Begin by listing. Calculate your monthly and yearly income from all sources: salary, side hustles, investments, etc. Track all of your monthly expenses, including rent/mortgage, utilities, groceries, entertainment, and discretionary spending. List any outstanding debt you may have: credit cards, student loans, car loans, etc., including the amounts owed and interest rates. Note the current balances in your savings and investment accounts. This assessment will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and whether your current financial habits align with your long-term goals. If you have high interest debt, you may need to prioritize paying it down before making significant investments. Step 3. Set clear and achievable goals. With a clear understanding of your financial situation, it's time to set goals that will guide your journey to financial freedom. It's important to set both short-term and long-term financial goals. For example, short-term goals might include saving for an emergency fund or eliminating credit card debt, while long-term goals could focus on retirement savings or creating multiple streams of passive income. By setting clear, achievable goals, you'll create a sense of purpose and momentum that will help you stay on track. Step 4. Create a budget and stick to it. A solid budget is the foundation of any financial freedom plan. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and fail to save enough to achieve your goals. Your budget should allocate your income toward essential categories, including savings, debt repayment, and living expenses, while also giving you some flexibility for discretionary spending. Start by tracking your monthly income and setting limits for each expense category. Use the 50/30/20 rule as a guideline for how to allocate your money. 50% for needs. This includes essentials like housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% for wants. This includes entertainment, dining out, vacations, and other non-essentials. 20% for savings and debt repayment. Focus on saving for emergencies, retirement, and paying down high-interest debt. Once you've created your budget, it's crucial to stick to it. Track your spending regularly and adjust as needed to stay on track. If you're overspending in one area, consider making sacrifices to ensure you can allocate more toward your savings and debt repayment. Step 5. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is one of the most important financial safety nets you can have. Life is unpredictable, and having a cash reserve will give you peace of mind and protect you from unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. A well-funded emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Start by setting aside a small, manageable amount each month into a separate savings account. If you're just starting, aim to save $1,000 as a short-term goal and then gradually increase your fund until you reach your target. The key is to make saving for your emergency fund a non-negotiable part of your budget and treat it as a priority until it's fully funded. Step 6. Pay off debt strategically. High-interest debt can be a significant roadblock on your path to financial freedom. The interest on credit cards, personal loans, and other types of consumer debt can add up quickly, draining your resources and making it harder to build wealth. To become financially free, you must eliminate this debt as soon as possible. Start by focusing on paying off high-interest debt first, such as credit card balances. Consider the debt avalanche method, where you pay off your highest interest debts first, or the debt snowball method, where you pay off your smallest debts first to build momentum. Both strategies work, but the avalanche method saves you more money in the long run because it reduces interest payments faster. If your debt load is significant, consider consolidating or refinancing to lower interest rates. You may also look into balance transfer offers to save on interest while paying down your debt more effectively. The goal is to free up your cash flow so you can invest in wealth-building assets. Step 7. Invest for the long term. Investing is a critical step in achieving financial freedom. To build wealth, you need to have your money working for you through investments like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Start by investing in tax-advantaged retirement accounts like a 401 or IRA, which allow your money to grow tax-deferred or tax-free. For beginners, low-cost index funds and ETFs are a great option. These funds offer diversification by investing in a broad range of assets, reducing your risk and increasing your chances of long-term growth. If you have more experience or are looking for higher returns, consider individual stocks or real estate investments. The key to successful investing is to stay patient and consistent. Invest regularly, even if it's a small amount, and focus on the long-term growth of your investments. Over time, compound interest will help your wealth grow exponentially. Step 8. Create passive income streams. Financial freedom isn't just about saving and investing. It's also about creating passive income. Passive income allows you to earn money without actively working for it. Common sources of passive income include dividends from stocks, rental income from real estate, or royalties from intellectual property, such as books or courses. Explore different ways to generate passive income, depending on your skills, interests, and resources. If you have a property, renting it out can be a great way to generate steady income. You might also consider creating a side business or developing an online course to generate income while you sleep. Building multiple streams of passive income will help you become less reliant on a traditional job and increase your chances of achieving financial freedom faster. Step 9. Regularly review and adjust your plan. Achieving financial freedom is a long-term process that requires ongoing adjustments. Regularly review your progress and make adjustments to your plan as needed. Track your spending, savings, and investment growth. As you achieve your financial milestones, reassess your goals and adjust your strategy to reflect changes in your life or financial situation. If you experience a major life event, such as a promotion, marriage, or having children, revisit your financial plan and ensure it still aligns with your long-term goals. Step 10. Stay committed to your financial freedom journey. Creating a financial freedom plan is a step in the right direction, but it requires commitment, discipline, and patience to execute. Stay focused on your long-term goals and make adjustments along the way. Understand that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and every small step you take toward financial freedom will compound over time. By following these steps and consistently making decisions that prioritize your financial independence, you'll be well on your way to achieving the freedom you desire. Creating a financial freedom plan that works requires a clear vision, careful planning, and the dedication to execute your plan consistently. Start by defining what financial freedom means to you, assessing your current situation, set clear goals, and creating a budget that aligns with those goals. Pay off debt, build an emergency fund, invest for the future, and generate passive income to achieve your long-term objectives. Stay committed, adjust your plan when necessary, and enjoy the journey to financial independence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to MoneyWise Wanderer for more expert financial tips and strategies. Take charge of your financial future today.